Hello everyone, my name's Alison from Alison Tarrant Education and welcome to another one of my English lessons. Now this lesson in particular is part of my Phonics program, and the reason why I'm covering this lesson today with certain words to do with phonics is because in my tutoring centre I know that many parents are confused about these words. Their children bring worksheets home and homework from school and these words are on them and they do get confused. So let me help you to understand this. So the four words that I'm covering in this lesson are digraph, trigraph, letter team, and blends. Now digraph is a very simple word. It can seem complicated, but it's quite simple. So digraph stands for two letters that make one sound. Di means two and graph means written. So two letters that make one sound that are written as such. So for example, you have a digraph here which is SH, and the digraph in this word is obviously SH. So I just want to underline that. Because SH is two letters and it makes one sound. Now in the second example, we have two letters again, which is CH, and this says ch. So that is two letters that make one sound, and we're going to underline it in this. Ch, at. So two letters, SH says sh, as in sh, op, and CH is two letters that make the sound ch, as in ch, at. Are digraphs. These are digraphs. Now trigraphs are simply three letters that make one sound. So TCH is a trigraph and it makes the sound ch. So we've got sk, at, ch for scratch. And in this trigraph here we have IGH, which sounds like I. And the example word I'm using here is might. So we have I, t, might. So that is a trigraph saying I in the word might, and this is a trigraph saying ch in the word scratch. So they're fairly simple if you know what they actually mean. Now let's look over here to the other side of the board. And the words that I use for digraph and trigraph is letter team. I just find this word easier for the children to understand, and that's why we use it. I feel these words are very technical, which is why a lot of the parents get confused with those words. But I try to make it easier in my program by just calling them a letter team. So a letter team covers both of these meanings. It is two or more letters that make one sound. So once again, you have two letters making one sound, sh, and here you have three letters making one sound again, I, and here you have four letters making one sound, and this one sound says I again. As in I. Just different ways of spelling it. Quite interesting, isn't it? So this says I. And we sound them out like this. I, t. I, t. Sh, op. And now we have this last word, which is called blends. And I just want to quickly go over the meaning. Two or three letters that are commonly used together, but each letter makes one sound. Now, a lot of parents, especially children, can get really confused with this and mistaken them for digraph and trigraph because they don't know that digraph, trigraph and blends are 3 different things. Now, the reason why this gets all confusing is because the one point that is left out is a digraph is 2 letters that make 1 sound. A trigraph is 3 letters that make 1 sound. But it gets quite confusing because then you have a thing called blends. And a lot of parents and children think that all these letters are digraphs and all these letters here are trigraph, but they're not, because these 2 letters together don't make 1 sound. These 2 letters together don't make 1 sound, and so on and so on and so on. They don't make 1 sound, they make 3 individual sounds or 2 individual sounds. So when you say the word stay, the ST is 2 separate sounds. S, T, A. This is a blend. So you blend these 2 sounds together to say the word. It's not like this here, the digraph. It's not like SH that makes 1 sound, which is sh. 2 separate sounds. And the same with this. T, it's 2 sounds. So we have T, A, as in tray. So we have 1 sound, and A. T, A. And then with BL, it's once again a blend. It's not a digraph. So we have blue, blue. Blue. And then we have a blend here that is 3 letters. And each of these 3 letters, unlike these trigraphs or this letter team here, they make 3 separate sounds again, whereas this makes 1 sound, I, and this makes 1 sound, I. These make 3 separate sounds. So we have st, eat, reet. Because a lot of children have trouble pronouncing this because they think it's 1 sound. They might say something strange like street, or st, or they don't really know what to say. But in our phonics program, we identify these as 3 separate sounds and we say them as such. S, t, e, t. And the same here. S, k, 3 separate sounds. Not a trigraph, not a letter team. So we do this. S, k, atch, scratch. So I hope this helps. It can be quite confusing if you don't know exactly what they mean and you haven't got these examples here to go by. But if you are interested in this phonics program, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or my course platform on my website, and you'll be kept up to date with all my new content. I hope this has helped, and thank you so much for watching.